So I have a 2007 Subaru Impreza Outback, 2.5i obviously. So this is my new setup I'm going to be running. Hopefully all goes well. So I bought some 02 to 05 unequal length headers off of 02 to 05, the RS, whatever, the basic model. And then doing some research online, I also got the 02 to 05 catalytic converter. Now I chose this over a high flow because for one, this was like 120 bucks. Number two, it also has the 3 O2 sensor housings, as you can see, because if you don't know, the 06, 07s have 2 O2 sensors in the stock headers. So now I could either run an extender, or for a lot of people said if you just cut the wiring it's taped in, it'll reach. So I can fit 2 right here, 1 right here. And this is a 3-inch catback exhaust. 3-inch, 4.5 inch outlet, Spec-D tuning. Bought that for about $130 off Redline's website. Now, because I have a wagon, from what I've understood, I'm gonna have to cut somewhere right here, and it's 3 inches short, and get a little like 3-inch exhaust adapter or extender. And then other than that, and then I'm not going to weld. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some 3-inch, maybe slightly bigger clamps, so when I cut it and extend it, it's just locking it in place. I don't know how to weld. All the exhaust shops in town are booked for at least a month or 2. But the main point of this video is to show you that you could run that from what everyone said. I haven't done it yet. I'm not doing it until next weekend. But the 2-inch 02 to 05 catalytic converter is a direct fit to the 3-inch. I thought I had to get an adapter. I don't need that. And then one thing, after looking under the car, it bolts in perfect, yeah, but the hangers on the car are like this, they're flat. Now, obviously, it's not gonna fit that, so what I plan on doing, like most people, is once I cut that and I get everything to line up, I can just rotate it so to get this bracket to fit. Not really worried about that bracket. These are the most important, the 3 hangers. Other than that, I could make it fit with everything else. So that's the setup so far. So like I said, 02 to 05 Impreza unequal length headers, eBay. 02 to 05 catalytic converter, 3 spots. 3-inch Spec-D tuning exhaust. And a 4.5-inch muffler, which is cool. But yeah, like I said, everything fits. This is a 2-inch to 3-inch, and it perfectly bolts. So like I said, I'm just gonna have to cut, extend it like 3 inches from what people say, and then I could rotate this to get those to bolt, and then that matches the hangers, because like I said, those hangers have to be flat, and that's impossible. So wish me luck. I will have a follow-up video next Friday, I think. Friday's my day off. Friday or Saturday. I'm looking to do it Friday though.